Y'all, look, bro. Like, what? Bro, this is crazy. This is crazy. Look at this. Bro, like, did somebody put something in the water? And it's all the way back out through there, bro. Look at all those fish. Look at all of these dead fish, bro. These are alive in this little spot, as y'all can see. Look at that, bro. What in the world is going on? This is crazy. Look at this, like even at my feet, bro. The minnows, everything, bro. This is the craziest, bro. I've never seen nothing like this in my life, bro. Ever. Look even back there, bro. I've never seen anything like this in my life. What is going on?